Denis Calvaert was born on circa 1540, died April 16, 1619. He was an Antwerp-born Flemish painter, who lived in Italy for most of his life, where he was known as Dionisio Fiammingo. Calvaert was a profound student of architecture, anatomy, and history. His works are characterized by their advanced composition and coloring. Calvaert is well known for his drawings and small copper paintings. Calvaert typically used chiaroscuro techniques to set stylized foreground figures derived from Correggio against Northern European landscapes. His use of color also reflects the influence of Barocci, while continuing to pursue a mannerist aesthetic throughout his career. Calvaert became a significant contributor to the brand of classicism that came to characterize the Bolognese school of painting from the start of the 17th century.